Here's my gesture control drone activity. Here's the code. Here's the gesture under function. This gesture will cause the drone to take off. This gesture will cause the drone to go forwards. This gesture will cause the drone to go backwards. This gesture will print the drone's battery. Will print the drone's battery. This gesture will cause the drone to land. So I'll just start it up. So drone took off. Drone started going forwards. Drone went back. Drone's going to land now. Yeah. I'm just gonna bring the drone back. Since my system's a little slow, or it can't take that many commands at once. So let me just make the drone take off. I'll move it a bit because then the drone should go back. Then the drone should land. And the last command. And the last command I'll be using is the tell battery 62. This was my gesture control or drone. This was my practical exam gesture control drone activity.